Here's a cake recipe that doesn't even need an oven. Mix 250 grams of crushed Oreos and 100 grams of melted butter. Then grease a baking dish and spoon your mixture into the base. Spread out your mixture. Then use a small glass to push the mixture down and around the edges. This will become your cheesecake base. Now freeze for 30 minutes. Now pop 300 grams of cream cheese and 200 grams of sugar into a bowl and whisk together really well. Add 150 milliliters of sour cream and whisk that in too. Finally, pour in 100 milliliters of orange juice and mix that in by hand. Now pour the whole thing into your base. And freeze for 1 hour. While it freezes, mix 100 grams of orange Jello powder and 50 milliliters of water. This is your final layer. Pour it carefully onto the top of your cake. Once your cheesecake base is filled, freeze for 1 more hour to allow it to set. Once you remove it from the freezer, crumble over some chocolate shavings as decoration. A little in the middle, and then some orange peel for a further bit of style. The orange Jello ingredient is a great original touch. I hope you love it.